Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a fantastic weekend. Today I will be reviewing another EA for MT5. This time it is specialized EA for gold trading only, and the strategy behind this EA is daily scalper. Many people are searching for a reliable EA that trade on gold. So my bet will be on this EA for gold trading. I will show you later. It only trade on gold 15-minute time frame, so it work on lower time frame. That means most likely it is a scalper, but the average holding time is bit longer. Recommended broker, you can use it for any broker, but Fusion Market is our recommended. EA does not use martingale, however it uses semi-grade. We have this type of EA that it is a new concept where there will be an open trade. For example, let's say we have buy here, and when the price is reversed it will open another buy, but the grade will not be like typical classical multiple hundred grade, only 3 to 4 grade. Whenever the price is reversed back, it will close at a certain point where it recover the losses of the first trade. So that is how it works. Each trade is protected by stop loss and take profit. Minimum deposit $200. It is good for a minimum deposit. As you can see, currently the EA is trending, and for this month we have 7 purchase with price of $400. Now this EA, he really does not really explain the logic behind this EA. We don't have much information, unfortunately, but it is automated trading robot that has been designed and created on the best strategy. So what are the strategies? We don't know. We know it is a scalper, maybe it is trend, maybe it is reversal, or it is ranging. We don't really know what strategy is using. However, it says all trade protected by stop loss, and you can use fixed lot or auto lot money management. Why this EA? He is asking this question. The risk is under control and a high recovery factor. Why this is high recovery? Because it uses semi-grade, as I said. That's why recovery factor is high. And we also have smart entry calculated by 20 grade strategy. So whenever the price is open at certain price, it said based on 12 strategies, this price will be the best possible one. EA can run even on $200, which is very important. This one I like it. We have news filter. Sometimes the gold is struggling and it is very high volatile. The price of gold is very high volatile and it is coming up down just like that. So you need to have a filter for the news specifically, which this EA does a great job on it. So you have the setting and you have the back. I don't know why he didn't do a back test, but let me show you the live result. Before going to live result, I want to show you the reviews of people who purchased it. So it said what happened to other two signals. It seemed to be 2 other signals. Maybe he removed it. Usually when signal is removed, it means the account has blown out. So we don't really know. This one say we don't recommend it. This one saying it is very good, positive. So we have some positive and negative for this EA, and I will show you why in both sides. I will be honest about it, but you know, we don't really know why some people are complaining. We have one live signal. You can see from live signal the profit, the gain is very high, 356%, but the drawdown is only 18, which is amazing. It is very low drawdown. Accuracy percentage very high. Losing trade very low. Reliability is 4 stars. So these are good keys factor. He only started with $100. So if he started with 200, perhaps this will be half drawdown. However, the average holding time, this one is problem because he is holding the trade probably over the weekend or over the days. So it is not an instant scalper, but most likely maybe it is, you can call this swing, because he really does not explain much information about this strategy being used. So that's why I call it scalper. The result for last year, we can see it is astonishing. September he doubled his account, October by 15, November amazing, December red this possible, January, February, everything is amazing. The results are amazing, but you can see the drawdown. This might be a little bit problematic. This will happen. You see these zones, it is possible because maybe there are multiple trade openings, so when the price reverses, the drawdown will increase. I don't know what is the total stop loss, but it seems we have a recovery here, so this might be a little bit problematic. The average drawdown drawdown is 10%, but the maximum is 18, as we have two peaks here. So you have to be careful with this EA. You can start using it by, for example, putting 100 USD or 200. Even if you have extra money, I recommend you use this EA. It will give you good profit. Whenever I will make a separate video on when to withdraw your profit for this type of EAs. Whenever you made 300%, withdraw all your balance and profit. Only let your initial deposit to work you again. So this how, even if the EA is blown out or whatever the case happen, you will not lose money. That's how you make the Forex money. You make money from the Forex for the long term. You have to be calculative. So we can see we have many trade on gold. As I told you, we have some stop loss, take profit, trailing stop loss perhaps. But why we have so many trade? For example, you can see we have some trade here, another trade, and these are not closed yet, because here you can see on the same day we have 3 trade at the same time and they are all on negative. So it uses semi-grid, maybe 4 or 5 maximum. We don't really know. We have to test it to see what is the maximum. For the statistic, we don't have much data to analyze. We only have 67 trade, which are not enough, to be honest. The accuracy is high. Okay, that's a good indicator. The recovery factor is very high, but we don't really know. The average loss is twice the average win because it uses grid. So this is normal to happen. But you can see we cannot make a full analysis on this trade only. So we have only 67 trades for this signal. For the risk, you can expect to have 80 by equity as well, as I said, and by balance it will be the same. So he is using the golden club strategy for, I will show you, and I will show you on the dash. So on your MT5 you can see you have to open M30 gold, and there you have to attach the EA into the chart. Make sure the algo is on. For the input, we have set file for this EA. So let me show you which set file you're going to use. We have 2 type of set file. If your broker have 3 digit at the end of the, for example, let me show you, we have 2 digit and 3 digit, and there is ST1, ST2. I don't recommend using this because some people are saying this has been blown. Only thing you're gonna use is this one, golden club ST M15 and golden club M15. If your broker is using 3 digit, you will use this one. For example, I will use this one, and here I will not change anything except the comment perhaps, and the fixed lot I will put auto lot, and for each 500 USD I recommend you use 0.01 because gold is higher in the PEEP value. Enable news filter, I recommend you enable it and click on OK, and therefore you can see the green icon. That means the EA is working fine. So how do I know which one to use? Some broker, for example this one, the price is 18,42,090.990. It means these last 3 digit you will use 3 digit if you have price like this. Some broker, for example, they have 2 digit like this. It will be, let me just make sure, yeah, this one. For example, like this price and 2 digit, you will use 2 digit set file. So everything is clear for you. My conclusion for this EA, the EA does not use martingale or typical grid, which is amazing. We have live result for almost 5 or 6 months. The profit factor is very high. However, we need more data. The semi-grid could be a little bit risky, and the EA does not describe what the strategy is behind this EA. So my conclusion for this EA, I will be fair and honest. I will give it only 3.5 star out of 5. So I think this is the conclusion. How to use this EA? Again, I repeat myself, don't put your personal saving into this account or into this EA. If you have extra money, for example, you have 200 US dollars and you said, okay, I will risk this money in 2 months. My goal is to double it or triple it. You can use this EA. Whenever you triple your account, your money, you withdraw your initial plus another 100 USD your profit, and let 100 USD to work for you again. So that's how I benefit from these type of EA, which are semi-grid or semi-martingale. Yes, you can make profit, but you have to know when to withdraw your profit so you don't lose in the Forex. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy my video and thank you for watching.